Hi, I'm Clara. Can't wait to continue the tutorials of CypCut software. Today we'll focus on the processing control over here. Click the small triangle here. We can see there is a coordinate list, floating coordinate, and several workpiece coordinates. Floating coordinate will recognize the current position of cutting head as the 0 point. We can see there is a red cross, is the cutting head position. Let's try to move the cutting head to any place and click Preview. We can see the 0 point has moved where the cutting head is located. If we start cutting now, it will run the process at the position. Under the floating coordinate, no matter where I move the cutting head, the machine will also take the cutting head position as the 0 point to run the cutting. For the workpiece coordinate, we can manually set current position as 0 point. Let's choose the workpiece coordinate 1. Move the cutting head, and we set the current position as 0 point. Let's try to move the cutting head to another place and start cutting. We can see the cutting head will still go back to the 0 point to process. Once we set the 0 point, it will not get changed as the cutting head moves around. It will be a fixed position unless we reset it. Here we can tell the difference between floating coordinate and workpiece coordinate. Floating is more suitable for some flexible and temporary cutting jobs, but workpiece coordinate is preferred for quantity cutting if we always upload the mental plate to a fixed position. At the bottom here, we can find accessorial functions to show mechanical or program 0 point or set 0 point. Here we can jog at XY axis and Z axis. First, here we can switch the speed of jogging, or we can change to step jogging. Jog cut option. If we tick it, the machine will process cutting while jogging. It will help us to cut off the plate. We can set the cutting parameters at the ellipses. Burst is the powerful laser with just 10 to 20, especially when we try to find a concentric point between laser beam and nozzle. You can find a video on nozzles up here. Mark function will enable us to mark a coordinate. We can see there is a small flag here. Let's move the cutting head a little. When we click the Go marker, we can see the cutting head will go back to the flag position. The CypCut limits to 6 marks. Mark is more practical when it cooperated with floating coordinate. It runs in demo, no connection with the laser source, so here I cannot enable the shutter, aiming, laser. When we click the Follow, cutting head will follow. Blow will make the auxiliary gas to blow out. We can choose the gas tabs here. It's in demo, so I cannot find the gas tabs. Next is the machine control part. If we click Start, it will begin cutting the circle. We can get it pause while cutting and resume or fast resume. We can get back distance or forward a little to continue the cutting. Here we can set the distance and the speed for back and forward. We can also enable stop while cutting, then go to the breakpoint PT lock and resume the previous cutting. Under the floating coordinate, generally we'll make a frame to confirm whether the graphics are within the mental plate before cutting. We can check whether the sorting is fine by simulating the process. We can apply the dry run function. It will make the cutting head moving at X and Y axis, but no following Z axis, no gas, no laser. Under the floating coordinate, like we're going to cut the circle, and we make a frame first. Then the 0 point has been fixed now. It's here and we don't want it changed, but for some reasons the cutting head moves to another place. If we want the cutting head to go back to the 0 point, we can click Return 0. It will go back. The 0 point will get changed every time we make the frame function. Here, let's make the first frame. We can see the first 0 point is here. Let's make the second frame. We get the second 0 point. But if we want to go back the first 0 point, what should we do? We can click the marker. There's a marked 0. Choose it and go marker. It will help us to go back to the last 0 point. The option here, if we tick it, we can choose a return point when the cutting is finished. Process selected only will only cut the graphic we choose. Like the rectangle and circle, we choose the circle and tick the option. We can see it doesn't process the rectangle. Soft limit protection. If we tick it, the cutting head isn't allowed to go outside of the table. We just tick it under the normal operation unless our machine needs to be adjusted under professional engineer's guidance. Find that before process, when our mental plate is placed a little skew relative to the XY axis, we can tick it. The machine will apply the find that first and process cutting. A counter here will help us to see how long the machine has operated and how many pieces we have finished cutting. We can set the total quantity here. We'll see the draw system and alarm journal here. Double-click it, we can find the historical record. Do you have issues on your laser machines? Please put it in the comment below or contact us directly. Subscribe me here so that you get notice as soon as I upload a video for you. Thank you. Bye.